What are biologically based therapies? In my opinion, among the complementary and alternative modalities that we have covered so far, this topic is the closest and the most relevant for our profession. Various plants contain chemicals, many of which are used in today's prescription medications as well as herbal medicines. Now, some of the chemicals found in plants and herbs include alkaloids, which are used in painkiller medications, narcotics, yung medications that maintain the blood pressure. They are also used in bronchodilators, stimulants, antimicrobials, and anti-inflammatory herbs. The coffee bean and the plant Ephedra sinica, which is also known as mawang, contain stimulating alkaloids. For cardiac glycosides, these are chemicals that have a marked action on the heart. They strengthen the force and speed of systolic contractions. Now, one example is the foxglove plant, which contains Digitalis purpurea. So, the Digitalis purpurea is one of the cardiac glycosides. When we say carotenoid pigments, these are pigments found in yellow and red plants such as carrots, sweet potatoes, red and yellow peppers, squash, and tomatoes. There are two types of carotenoids, the beta-carotene and the lycopene, which is found in tomatoes. They are the red pigment found in tomatoes, and they help maintain healthy epithelial tissue and mucous membranes, and they also aid growth and repair in body tissue and others. Now, for chlorophyll, this is a pigment found in dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, parsley, kale, green beans, and leeks. Chlorophyll absorbs energy from the sun to facilitate photosynthesis. So, this is the synthesis of carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water in plants. According to studies, chlorophyll has antioxidant properties and retards cancer cell growth. For fixed oils, these are also referred to as vegetable oil, carrier, or base oils, and they contain nutrients such as minerals, antioxidants, and fat-soluble vitamins. They are not volatile, and they do not evaporate. Many fixed oils are used with essential oils for aromatherapy because they do not compete with the aroma, and they are also mixed with essential oils that are used for massage therapy. Now, some of the examples of fixed oils are almond oil, avocado oil, aloe vera oil, castor oil, flaxseed oil, and evening primrose oil. For flavonoids, these are set of chemicals that include brilliant plant pigments seen in fruits and vegetables, and they are thought to be potent antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory and metal chelating properties. Now, there are 6 subclasses of flavonoids. We have anthocyanidins, which are found in red, blue, and purple berries, and red and purple grapes, and also in red wine. Flavonols are found in tea, chocolate, grapes, berries, apples, and red wine. Flavonones are found in citrus fruits and juices. Flavonols are found in yellow onions, scallions, kale, broccoli, apples, berries, and teas. Flavones are found in parsley, thyme, celery, and hot peppers. We also have isoflavones, which are found in soybeans, soy food, and legumes. And then we also have lignans. So, lignans are phytoestrogens with weak estrogenic or anti-estrogenic activity. So, lignans may be found in nuts, seeds, breads, vegetables, fruit, and wine. Examples of nuts and seeds are milk thistle seed, flax seed, sunflower seed, sesame seed, cashews, peanuts, and poppy seeds. For whole grain, we have whole grain, multigrain, rye, and wheat bread. They also contain lignans. And vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, onions, and green beans also contains lignans, as do fruits such as apricots, strawberries, peaches, and pears. According to research studies, there are conflicting results about the health benefits of lignans. That although a diet rich in lignans lowers cardiovascular disease risk, research is unclear as to whether the effect is due to lignans alone or to other foods in the diet. In a meta-analysis study in 2008, the authors found that there was little evidence to suggest that lignans with their mild estrogenic activity are associated with increased breast cancer risk. On the other hand, for postmenopausal women, the meta-analysis found that high lignan intake was associated with a 15% reduction in the risk for getting breast cancer. Phytoestrogens are estrogen-like chemicals that can act like the hormone estrogen, and there are more than 300 foods that contain phytoestrogens. They come from three chemical classes: the lignans, the isoflavonoids, and the comestans. Isoflavonoid phytoestrogens are found in the legume family. Common edible legumes include lentils, peas, chickpeas, beans, soybeans, and peanuts. Comestan phytoestrogens are found not only in various beans such as pinto beans and lima beans, but they are also found in alfalfa and clover sprouts. Phytoprogesterones are plant chemicals that bind to progesterone receptors, and these are found in lignans, isoflavonoids, flavonoids, and comestans. Example of plant sources are flaxseed, soybeans, tofu, sesame seeds, blueberries, and almonds. When we say plant coumarin, yung coumarin was first isolated from the tonka bean or Dipteryx odorata, which is in a classification known as coumaru. Thus, the similar plant were named plant coumarin. Coumarins are mainly synthesized in the leaves of plants, but they also occur at the highest level in the fruits, and the second highest in the roots, and the lowest levels in the stem. Coumarin has no anticoagulant activity, but once converted to dicumarol, it becomes anticoagulant in nature. Coumarin is also found in sweet woodruff, vanilla grass, sweetgrass, cassia cinnamon, and red clover blossoms. And salicylates and salicines are aspirin-like compounds that have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory action. Salicine is a glycoside found in willow bark, and it acts as antipyretic, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. And it is a bitter tonic used as gastric stimulant, and it is also useful for mild feverish colds, headaches, and rheumatic conditions. Nowadays, salicylates is used as an active ingredient in many skincare products used to treat acne. Because salicine and salicylic acid use caused many side effects such as stomach irritation leading to nausea and vomiting, and also tinnitus or yung hearing problems, scientists synthesized acetylsalicylic acid, which is a safer form of salicylates, and it is also used as the main ingredient in today's aspirin products. Saponins are glycosides or chemicals found in plants such as oats, vegetables, and beans that cause plants placed in water to soak up or froth to form a lather. And they are also found in several herbs like alfalfa, agave, fenugreek, and ginseng. They got their names from the soapwort plant also known as saponaria. The root of this plant was used for making soap, and because of the detergent properties, saponins are used in shampoos, facial cleansers, and cosmetic creams. They also act on internal surfaces of membranes and blood vessels to lower the surface tension. Saponins are thought to have several health benefits, including reducing blood cholesterol levels, boosting immunity, reducing cancer risk, reducing bone loss, and having antioxidant properties. Tannins are polyphenols obtained from various parts of plants, and they are found in tree bark, wood, fruit, leaves, and roots. Tannins bind with proteins and form a protective layer on the skin and mucous membranes. They are used in dyeing and photography. They are also used as an astringent in medicines and for refining beer and wine. They can reduce diarrhea or intestinal bleeding and are used externally to inhibit infections of the eye, mouth, vagina, and the rectum. Coffee, black tea, and green tea, and also wine contains tannins. Volatile oils come from plants and produce what is popularly known as essential oils. They are compounds of vegetable origin that evaporate at room temperature and allow us to enjoy the smell. Two of the many ways that they are made are steam distillation and through expression. When we say steam distillation, it is done by immersing the plant in a still filled with water and then boiling it. Now, the vapors are condensed on a cold surface and the essential oils are then separated. Volatile oils have many health benefits. They are used for their antiseptic properties, antispasmodic properties. They are also used as perfumes and flavoring. Now, they may be used in medicine as stimulants, and some of the volatile oils also exhibit antifungal and insect repellent actions. Some of the examples of plants that are known for their having volatile oils are eucalyptus, garlic, oregano, and tea tree. Now, these plants also contain volatile oils.